MCA DMK Kiogora na ugite rendekithia ria kubunjia kaunti ya Meru ne untu bukajukia KAGITA akiuga botena gitumi. DMK uria waikirie rwaria rwa kurita ngabana wa Meru KAWIRA Mwangaza Gitene augite rwaria ro no rujukie kinya miaka 2 akiuga ne untu butitethia ngabana wa Meru. KAGITA ukau nerite baria bakuriwa ne ngabana ujukenda kwendekithia untu bubu ne bari embeta ende batiomba na kirire endekithia riri yao. Mwandiki wetu Wanteto Boniface Mwongera katwambiririe.
Jatigerie ndigure matha 48 nagarwe bunge seneti shokera kubanganuri kathikira musono ko mubire gavana Kaira Mwangaza Gitene nangaruko wengine odone basini batongeretu iki kibensunda batumirete ukinyira muthigo shughuli yeze na DMK urano MC Rotero Bogeta West na mwambiriro musono jo impeachment na agerete ntuntuguru muri kono jo gavana Kaira Mwangaza na kwa kunanga kaunti ya Meru tija komira na wakagituge
ngoge uko na ngabana KAWIRA gitara nenkere antu bawe mkono form beta bakiuthora na signature na kaunti ndisovo kakugerio matoka responsibility yawe na kundisove county government process yenda aja muno iteka as much as 12 months kote process ye rojo ugago gera rojo county andisove ne kuinivo president ne kuinivo MBC ne kuinivo commissions ne kuinivo bantu baba inge muno ne kuinivo vinyaba ukona ni athere arere na muntu mwa atomba otomai muntu mwa tukano ethine ndi no gutuma county ndisove na muntu mwa kethina.
DMK yariuga gavana Kaira Mwangaza akena na akiregano monkethro akiumiria kioro kia bunge senate
procedure kundisove county nenda aja na itindias na irigoras nere kurukira ogisa netabagu agukira ondiro abogere impeachment ono monka ambe omeri impeachment yambethire ita senate ide kurukia kana gwithi impeachment but kabati gwetera process ekathira then akambire process chiawe yuali na session dissolve county
mnaku kulingana kikibensunda bekinyira muthio kuthurana saini barothurana saini nkurukia ngiri magana jairi na kiume yeke Rais Ruto akethiro emenyithwa wandekithiro bokunanga kaunti ya Meru
kuthurania signatures exercise ne tumithiretie na signatures itikolokete kinya ira turenda. I can quantify we have more than 200,000 mantu jate wetania na impeachment ya ngavana inene we ngavana ajimpicha wakana ate kuimpichwa impeachment egeta through kana ate kweta through push yetu ya dissolution wemethithia independently and separately
ende ankabe na ndo batene goita na kithugumone bari bothorane signature bakire yagwa kwina wagi bwangu gimono na ndethera kwa nguge kuthorane signature ko thorani ende umenyote no igeta antu bara bakorewe ibariwe na ndi no ngugene na bange abakwithugumira ibathugume.
Mheshimiwa DMK yarejea nyume mambura jao cha kuinga mwaka ya ubango jo wikerito nthiguruni Amerika utakuthomera na ojo jikiri na gichonko kia lift program.
Yes, good afternoon.
Haritwa omumo 70 betire kuthomera kiri university nyanya nthiguruni Amerika kuma kiume kitu kwambiria ntukwe rojo.
And the beauty of this whole thing is, since we have now a partnership with Qatar Airways, if you're already in the US as a student and you want to come back, we will be able to book for you a ticket still through Qatar Airways. Like, it's not just for your ticket to go there to study. Even when you want to come, even Kina Wilfred who are coming and these others, very affordable tickets because they have given us a link, a direct link for getting discounted tickets.
We have the KCB Diaspora Banking. That department is there to support any Kenyan who lives and works abroad. And with the Kenya Airlift program, now that we are together, now that we are in partnership together, guys, we'll give you our personal numbers, we'll give you our office numbers, we'll give you our business cards, our emails, mtakuwa nazo, mufanya nini? Mutuandikia wakati wowote.
Na kuma mubango jojo airlift jo kwamberia, mirongo magana nyamagiri jari tupethito bagiko gwita kuthomera no, bamo baathiria ninya bashurongo gyo nao.
And there's so many opportunities, just a matter of being patient and knowing what to do the right time and knowing who to approach at the right time as well. And then apart from that, everything else is smooth. Have your goals straight, that is the best thing I could say. Aim high. Umeona nimerudi, sikuenda kuteseka.
I want to just say how grateful and happy I am when I see Kenyan young people succeeding and making it out there. There are so many opportunities outside our borders, especially for countries that are desperate for employees like the United States.
Nke report na Ntoshero TV weekend kumaja kengina ngine kutoka Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.